Tired of messy breakfast and uneven cooking? Meet the non-stick double-sided frying pan, your new kitchen hero. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this pan heats evenly and locks in flavor on both sides. Just flip it with ease, perfect for sandwiches, steaks, eggs, or toast in minutes. Its removable handle and non-stick surface make cleaning a breeze. Compact, convenient, and perfect for 1 to 2 people, whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors. Cook smarter, faster, and tastier with the double-sided frying pan. Tired of struggling with dull peelers that waste half your veggies? Meet the stainless steel multifunction peeler, your all-in-one kitchen hero. With its ultra-sharp dual blades, it effortlessly peels, slices, and juliennes fruits and vegetables in seconds. From carrots to cucumbers, even the toughest skins are no match. Made from premium stainless steel, it's durable, rust-resistant, and 100% food-safe. Its ergonomic handle gives you total control and comfort. No slips, no mess. Perfect for everyday cooking or festive meals like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Upgrade your kitchen game today with this modern, multifunctional peeler.
Tired of struggling with corn husks? Meet the stainless steel corn peeler, your heavy-duty kitchen hero. With its sharp serrated blade, it effortlessly removes corn husks and separates kernels in seconds. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Perfect for every modern kitchen.
Slice your eggs perfectly every time with a stainless steel white egg slicer. Q-sharp blades, smooth cuts, ideal for salads, sandwiches, and fancy plating. Fast, easy, and mess-free. Tired of messy fruit prep? The stainless steel fruit slicer and pitter makes slicing and pitting effortless. With sharp stainless steel blades, it cuts fruits perfectly in seconds. No mess, no stress. Durable and reusable. Easy to clean. Your new kitchen essential for home or dorm use.
Tired of messy pomegranate peeling? This stainless steel pomegranate seed removal set makes it effortless. Just place the fruit, tap with the wooden mallet, and watch seeds fall cleanly into the ball. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for home or office snacks.
To purchase this smart kitchen product, click on the link in the description below and order now.